Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use the lesson plan calendar. This is a great tool for finding resources on the lessons you do on holidays and special events. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you have logged into your account, click Materials in the top banner and click Lessons from the drop-down menu. From here, click the Calendar tab on the right. The calendar will automatically open to the month we are in. Right below, there'll be a brief paragraph describing the resources included, and under that, you can find a chronological list of all the holidays and special events for the month. You can view the additional months on the left-hand side, and click one to view the holidays and events for that month. Once you have found something that piques your interest, click the arrow to find all of the corresponding materials. Click the link of any resource to be brought to its lesson page. You can view the tasks, open the PDF, or assign the lesson to your class by clicking the Add to Class button in the top right, selecting your class, and selecting Teaching as the location. That's it for this video on how to use our lesson plan calendar. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.